Congratulations on completing the course. Let's recap what we've covered and talk about the next steps in your Kotlin journey. Throughout this course, we started with the basics of Kotlin, including its syntax, variables, and control flow statements. You learned how to write simple Kotlin programs and understand the core concepts that form the foundation of Kotlin programming. We then moved on to object-oriented programming in Kotlin, where you learned about classes, objects, constructors, inheritance, and polymorphism. These concepts are crucial for structuring your code and creating reusable components. In the advanced features section, you explored collections, generics, lambda expressions, higher order functions, extension functions, and null safety. These features help you write more concise, expressive, and safe code. We also discussed the importance of debugging and testing. You learned how to use the debugger in IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio to identify and fix issues in your code. You also learned how to write unit tests and integration tests to ensure your code behaves as expected and is robust against changes. Finally, we covered best practices in Kotlin programming. By following these best practices, you can write clean, maintainable, and efficient code. You learned the importance of consistent coding style, immutability, handling nullability with care, writing short and focused functions, using meaningful names, leveraging Kotlin's standard library, and writing tests. As you continue your journey, here are some next steps you can take to further enhance your Kotlin skills. Build more projects. Apply what you've learned by building more Kotlin projects. This will help you solidify your understanding and gain practical experience. Contribute to open source. Contributing to open source projects is a great way to improve your skills, collaborate with other developers, and give back to the community. Explore advanced topics. Dive deeper into advanced Kotlin topics like coroutines for asynchronous programming, Kotlin multi-platform for cross-platform development, and more. Keep learning, stay updated with the latest developments in Kotlin and the broader programming community. Follow blogs, watch tutorials, and read books to keep expanding your knowledge. Practice coding interviews. If you're preparing for job interviews, practice solving coding problems and understand common data structures and algorithms. Thank you for joining this course. I hope you found it valuable and enjoyable.